The Ripple XRP bag is being sold right now. What's going on? Is XRP going away for good? I will tell you everything in this movie. Nota bene. Christine Lagarde, president of the European Central Bank, recently said that her son chose to invest in cryptocurrency even though she had been telling him not to. They lost about 60% of their investment, which was very disappointing. Lagarde told him how she felt. He ignored me royally, which is his right, and he lost almost all the money he had invested. He lost everything, even though it wasn't much. He lost around 60% of it. She said, when I talked to him about it again, he reluctantly agreed with me that I was right. There are 2 kids in their mid-30s that the ECB had talked about, but she didn't say which one. She didn't say which cryptocurrencies he put in or how much he invested, which was a shame. There's a good chance that some of them were XRP at least. This is why. People who are new to cryptocurrencies are often drawn to it for a number of reasons. One big draw is all the attention that cryptocurrencies like XRP are getting from the media. Media coverage that is positive, stories about price increases, important partnerships, and technology advances in the crypto space tend to get people interested in this new market. Another thing that draws new buyers is the promise of high returns on their money. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously unstable, and prices have changed a lot. Stories of early adopters getting a lot of money can be especially appealing to people who want to make money. Cryptocurrencies are easy to get, and you can even buy small amounts of them, which is a useful factor that draws new users. The market seems more accessible when you don't think you need a lot of money to start trading. Websites that allow fractional investing also add to this impression. People who are interested in technology may find the new and interesting parts of blockchain and decentralized finance appealing. For example, XRP's focus on quick and cheap cross-border trades is one example. People who are very interested in how cryptocurrencies work often find similarities between the technical aspects of blockchain technology and its possible uses. A big part is also played by active online communities and social media impact. Engaging conversations, shared enthusiasm, and support from existing cryptocurrency communities, especially those that back XRP, can help newcomers feel like they join and get excited about the market. Another reason is the hope that a coin like XRP will be used in the future. The idea that XRP could be important in the future of money, especially for sending money across borders, can draw people in and get them to spend. New investors make a lot of decisions based on suggestions and word of mouth, whether they come from friends, family, or influential people. Personal success stories and recommendations from people you trust can give you the confidence and motivation to learn more about XRP and invest in it. One psychological reason people may want to get into the market is the fear of losing out, FOMO. Seeing other people make money with cryptocurrency investments may make newcomers feel like they need to get involved right away so they don't miss out on possible chances. The cryptocurrency market is easier for new investors to get into thanks to educational tools, tutorials, and platforms that are easy for beginners to use. People can easily navigate and interact with the market if they know the basics and have access to tools that are easy to use. Lastly, in times of financial instability around the world, people sometimes think of cryptocurrencies like XRP as a way to protect themselves from unstable economies. This is a problem because the decentralized nature of these assets may attract people looking for other ways to spend their money when the economy is unstable. When people, especially those who are new to cryptocurrency and investing in crypto like XRP, enter the scene, they run into some problems because they don't know much about the constantly changing crypto market. An important problem is that new buyers tend to look at things in a short-term way, mostly because they want to make money quickly. Because of this tendency, people often sell on the spot when prices drop slightly, which makes the market more volatile. Because these new investors aren't committing to the project for a long time, it could affect the project's general health and stability. A strong group of supporters who really believe in the project's goals and are ready to deal with short-term market changes is often needed for crypto projects to be successful. If a lot of donors are thinking about the short term, it could hurt the project's ability to grow over time. some people may think that the community is more interested in speculative trading than in truly committing to the project's mission because of the constant buying and selling that new investors do. In turn, this can affect the cryptocurrency's credibility and image in the market as a whole. Basically, newcomers can bring new ideas and energy to the crypto space, but it's important that what they do fits with the overall goals and stability of the coin they choose to invest in. A smarter, more patient, and longer-term method is needed for individual investors to do well and for the cryptocurrency projects they support to keep growing. However, as time goes on, some newcomers to XRP may finally leave the market for good. This often happens because they only think about the short term and react quickly to small price changes. As these buyers pull their money out of the market, it changes because there are fewer transactions of buying and selling. Short-term investors who don't have much experience leaving the market makes it more safe and consistent. When there are no more short-term holders, the coin is less likely to have its price change quickly because of traders acting on impulse. Long-term users usually have a stronger connection to the project's vision and goals, and they make investment choices based on their faith in the cryptocurrency's long-term success. Under these conditions, the Bitcoin project's future looks brighter. Short-term traders have less of an effect on the market, which lets it more accurately reflect the project's fundamentals and prospects. Long-term holders are very important for making sure that the coin project's goals are met, which is why they are so dedicated to seeing it grow. Eventually, the change from a market dominated by short-term traders to one dominated by long-term holders may be good for the security and success of a cryptocurrency like Ripple XRP. This shows how important it is to build a strong group that puts the project's long-term goals ahead of short-term price changes. Also, this is interesting. A blockchain address connected to Ripple just completed a transaction moving $80 million worth $48 million. This has led to rumors about where the money is going. At the moment, 136 million XRP are in the sending address, which is often used by Ripple to send large amounts of XRP to different addresses. Ripple's recent large transfer has gotten a lot of attention for a number of reasons, including rumors about where the money is supposed to go. There are a lot of different ideas going around in the Ripple community about why the recent trades happened. The details of the move and how the address has been used in the past. The XRP coins could be set aside for the project's on-demand liquidity network, which makes it easier to send money. They would mostly be used for sending smaller amounts. For Ripple to work, it needs to regularly send large amounts of money to other people. Another idea is that the money could be used to try to reach a settlement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in the case that is still going on. In either case, the Ripple community is very looking forward to a result that doesn't involve the coins that were moved. Notably, XRP's price has been struggling along with the rest of the crypto market over the past week, falling 2% in the last 7 days.